Hey everyone. Today, we're going to explore Anthropic courses. There are 13 courses in total. I'm going to show you what each one is about and how it can be useful for you. Let's get started. This course helps you integrate Claude Code into your development workflow. You'll learn to automate coding tasks, generate scripts, and make your coding faster and smarter. This is the beginner-friendly course to get started with Claude AI. You'll learn how to use it for everyday work tasks, explore its core features, and discover resources for more advanced learning. Learn how to collaborate with AI efficiently, ethically, and safely. This is perfect for anyone who wants a strong foundation in working with AI systems. For developers who want to build apps with Claude, you'll explore the full workflow using Anthropic models via the Claude API, from prompts to full applications. Learn to build MCP servers and clients from scratch in Python. Understand its three core components: tools, resources, and prompts to connect Claude with external services. Designed for faculty and instructional designers. Learn to integrate AI Fluency into teaching and institutional strategy to enhance learning outcomes. Students learn to use AI fluently to improve learning, career planning, and academic success, all while collaborating responsibly with AI systems. This advanced course dives deeper into MCP. You'll explore sampling, notifications, file system access, and production-ready server development patterns. Learn to use Claude on AWS through a specialized training program. Even if you're not an AWS employee, you can follow along and learn deployment practices for real-world AI applications. Explore deploying Claude models through Google Cloud Vertex AI. This course covers integration, interaction, and building real-world solutions on Google Cloud. For instructors or trainers who want to teach AI fluency, this course covers techniques for classroom or instructor-led settings and ways to assess students effectively. Nonprofit professionals learn to use AI to increase organizational impact, efficiency, and alignment with their mission, all while being responsible and ethical. Learn how to build, configure, and share skills in Claude Code, from creating your first skill to distributing it across teams. This course covers everything you need. And that's a quick overview of all 13 Anthropic courses on Skilljar, it all giving practical skills and hands-on AI experience. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials and course breakdowns.